Ini sa mga backpackers. Video gini. Okay guys, we are here in Danhugan Island where there are a lot of islets along the way, and this is my captain of the ship rowing, and I am the passenger of the ship, doing great. And we are going to the first lagoon. The first lagoon is like this one, so it's a good in body of water from the ocean from West Philippine Sea. Like guys, there, that's the West Philippine Sea. So we will be going away from the West Philippine Sea to avoid the water cannon, and then we will be approaching. But why is my captain of the ship not? So I bring you here, so I think there's a lot of sambarot. So we can get lot of daghan dinig bat they din hiday sea urchin sad og sea cucumber. Okay. So, oh captain, why are you going to that direction? It's a shallow portion, so you have to go right. Okay, this is me doing vlogging in the wilderness of Danhugan, and we are sagyad already, but that's okay. You're doing a good job. Okay, so okay, this is the wilderness of Danhugan. Look at the pristine. Okay, I will naog na already because I see a huge sea cucumber. It's already only here. Oh, there's a lot. They call it bat pisot. No, we will just punit it but not get it. Oh, like that one. I don't know. This is the adventure going to West Philippine Sea. And the other one, that's my wife who is struggling on doing some selfie in the middle of West Philippine Sea. And struggling on doing the kayak. With no core strength. Bato-bato ba ang iyang. This is the cliff of Danhugan. Where
Ano kasi nag-video sa kasi?
video mo. Pwede na to this one, Bert.